Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the recent Supreme Court hearings that could change the political landscape in Manipur. In a courtroom filled with anticipation, the justices are preparing to hear allegations that could implicate the chief minister in some serious accusations related to ethnic violence. The situation in Manipur has escalated dramatically over the past months, with reports stating over 200 lives lost and thousands displaced due to ethnic violence. The atmosphere is thick with tension. Local organizations are stepping up, claiming that the CM has played a critical role in stoking these flames of conflict. Now, what's really getting attention are these leaked audio clips. Allegations suggest that these recordings could reveal N. Biren Singh's involvement in orchestrating violence and even facilitating looting. Can you imagine the ramifications if these tapes are found to be credible? Advocate Prashant Bhushan stepped into the spotlight, representing the Kuki Organization for Human Rights. He asserted in court that these audio clips are undeniable proof of the CM's complicity in the violence. This is the kind of moment that can spark fierce debates in our communities. Both Meitei and Kuki communities have been embroiled in conflict, and these voices are crying out for justice. With claims that the CM has been protective of those involved in violence against the Kuki, it's essential to address these unsettling dynamics among communities. The public's reaction has been swift and emotional. People are demanding accountability. They feel the weight of the governmental response, or lack thereof, and it is pushing them out onto the streets, calling for justice and peace. The protests taking place across Manipur have become a symbol of frustration and anger. Thousands are gathering daily, demanding answers and immediate action. It shows just how deeply this issue lies within the hearts and minds of the people. The Supreme Court has now stepped in, directing that the Kuki organization must provide evidence to back up their claims. They are demanding materials to verify the authenticity of these audio clips before any further steps can be taken. We've brought in experts today to discuss the implications of these developments in Manipur. They will help us navigate this complicated issue and address what this means for the citizens affected by these policies. It's staggering to think about the statistics here. More than 11,000 houses have been burned or destroyed, and the local communities are left to pick up the pieces. This isn't just numbers. These are families that have lost everything. We also have some heartbreaking personal stories to share today. Hearing from those who live through these struggles brings a human element that numbers simply can't convey. One survivor shared how they lost their home and nearly their life in these conflicts. Legally, the Kuki organization is pushing for a special investigation team to be formed, arguing that normal investigative bodies are compromised. This call for an independent inquiry is crucial to ensuring justice is fairly served. We can't forget about the rich cultural tapestry of Manipur. The Kuki and Meitei have coexisted for generations, and the ongoing violence threatens to unravel the fabric of this vibrant society. We must reach a resolution to preserve their shared heritage. Community leaders like those from the Kuki organization are essential voices in this dialogue. They bring awareness and advocate for those who have felt marginalized by the government. Their sentiment resonates across all corners of the affected communities. Media coverage has intensified, with various outlets broadcasting the events as they unfold. Many feel this attention could push for governmental accountability, but there are voices warning that sensationalism doesn't always drive positive change. Mapping the areas deeply affected by this conflict shows a staggering impact. You can see communities that were once thriving now struggling to exist. The geographical reality reflects the reality of displacement for so many families. Manipur is home to unique cultural heritage that deserves to be protected. As these communities clash, the preservation of these landmarks becomes increasingly crucial, as they are often a source of pride and identity. The potential outcomes following the Supreme Court's deliberations could drastically change how justice is perceived in Manipur. Will accountability finally come? Or will this be another chapter in a long history of unaddressed grievances? In the midst of all this, voices for peace are rising. Many local residents favor unity and are calling for dialogue over discord. They believe that upcoming generations should not live in the shadows of the past. Community meetings have sparked conversations about unity and reconciliation. Local figures are leading the charge, emphasizing that while grievances are valid, there is hope for collaborative solutions. These gatherings underline the importance of community support. In times of struggle, locals come together to share resources, showing that even in despair, there is solidarity and companionship. Let's summarize the key takeaways from today's discussion. The significance of the Supreme Court's potential ruling, the heart-wrenching personal tales, and the quest for solidarity among communities. Your thoughts matter as we navigate this complex issue together. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We want to build a community where we can discuss these vital issues together. Your voice matters. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Let's keep this conversation going and ensure that you are informed about the latest developments as we progress through these challenging times. We're continuously working on improving our video quality, aiming to deliver better insights and perspectives on critical issues. Your support and understanding help fuel our passion to create great content. In closing, we hope to have opened your eyes to the complexities surrounding the situation in Manipur. As we stand together in support of justice and unity, let's remember that every voice counts in shaping our future. Thank you for tuning in to All About AI Tech. We appreciate you being part of our growing community. Until next time, stay informed, and let's support each other in fostering peace and collaboration across our beloved nation.